American Express banking online login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into American Express online login, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into our American Express online account, all we have to do is open up our browser and just go to americanexpress.com. Now once you go to americanexpress.com, you're going to see this type of interface here, where you can tap on the login button over here. Once you go to the login option, select account type as to what you're trying to log in. You're trying to log into cards and banking, or whether you're trying to log into membership, rewards, merchant account, or work account. So enter your user ID and your password, then tap the login option if you want to log in. If you forgot your user ID or password, you can tap on forgot user ID or password option. If you want to create a new online account, you can tap on create new online account there as well. So this way you should be able to log into American Express online. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.